Hello, and so today we're going to talk about finding the area of a trapezoid. So remember, a trapezoid is a quadrilateral in which two sides of it are parallel. Okay, so in this case, our top and bottom are parallel sides, and those parallel sides are called bases. It doesn't have to be in this form, it can be like this. That's a trapezoid. It can also be of a form where these two sides are the trapezoid. These two sides are the parallel sides. They can be horizontally parallel or vertically parallel. They don't have to be always in this shape and form. Most people think they do have to be. So I wanted to just clarify that a trapezoid just has to have just has to have one pair of opposite sides parallel. So this is parallel. That's parallel here. These two sides are parallel. So, but anyway, we're talking about the area of a trapezoid. So when we discussed trapezoids in the past, there was one special property of trapezoids that we looked at. One really special one, and I said it's very important, and that's the median. The median is the line that is halfway between the two bases. And the median is also equal to the average length of the two bases. So if this is say 4 and this is 6, this would be 5. So it will be the average between the two. It will be the number that's in the middle between the two. That's the median. Well, the cool thing is the median actually helps us find the area of a trapezoid. So the area of a trapezoid is equal to the median times the height. Okay, so if you know the median and you know the height, you can find the area of the trapezoid. So this is why the median is very important because it can tell us a lot of different things about a trapezoid. In this case, it can tell us the area. Well, it may be kind of hard for some of you maybe to see, but if we were to extend from our median and make a rectangle, you may be able to see that this would end up being the base and the height would still be the height. And this corner that's left over here, the trapezoid, would actually fit into the other side that's missing. So the median does kind of help shape our trapezoid. If you also were to take from the bottom base and create a rectangle, and from the smaller base create a rectangle, the one created from doing the medians will also be halfway between them, or be in the middle between them. So again, giving the average of it. So the median, as you can see, will give you the average area. It will give you the between the two. It will give you the average length between the two bases. It tells you a lot about an average. That's what the word median means. It's a way to measure an average. So, but that's enough of understanding what a median is and how we use that in solving for the area of a trapezoid, how we use that with other problems with a trapezoid. Let's look at finding the area of a trapezoid. So let's say we are given a trapezoid such as this, and let's say the height is 3, and let's say the bases are 7 and 11. Okay, and let's just put meters on here so it has units. All right, so the area of the trapezoid would be the median times the height. And remember, the median is the number that's the average between the two bases, or it's the number in between the two bases. Maybe that's not obvious how to find. So what you can do instead is just do 1/2 the sum of the bases, and then multiply times your height. Okay, so if we do it that way, we have 1/2 7 plus 11, then multiply times 3, and we get 7 plus 11 is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9, times 3 is 27. This would be meters to the second power because we have meters plus meters is still meters, times meters again would be meters squared. Okay. All right. And that's all there is to it. So let's look at another example. If you need to pause the video, go ahead. Okay. So Okay, so in this case, we have a trapezoid drawn. This leg of the trapezoid, remember legs are two sides that aren't bases. This leg of the trapezoid actually forms a right angle with the bottom base. That's important to know because that means that it is the height. Good. So we have a height of 4. We have two bases, one of 2 inch and one of 5 inches. And we're going to find the area of the trapezoid. So, again, to find the area of the trapezoid, we have to know what the median is, which is half of the sum of the bases. So, the area of the trapezoid would be half 2 plus 5, so 2 inches plus 5 inches, times the height, which is 4 inches. And so 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. And 3.5 times 4 will give us 14 square inches. Okay? Inches plus inches is still inches. Times inches will be inches squared. So there you go. That's all there is to it. To find the area of a trapezoid, you have to know the median and the height. Now, sometimes you may have to use some trigonometry in order to find the height. The median will always be just the average of the two bases. Sometimes it'll be given to you straightforward. Other times you may have to add the two bases together and then divide by 2 to find out what number is in the middle of them. Okay, area of a trapezoid is median times the height, and I'll see you soon.